Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to add Grammarly to MS Office. So open grammarly.com or open any web browser and just search Grammarly. Open this official link and scroll down and here click on Grammarly for MS Office. Now here guys you need to sign up your account with Grammarly to your Gmail and it's free. Later on you can upgrade if you need. So sign up and if you have already account, so just sign in. It will take few seconds. So complete in this process. Now here you will see the option get the most from Grammarly. Install Grammarly for Windows to check your writing on Microsoft Word, Gmail, PowerPoint, and most other apps and website. So just click on get Grammarly for Windows and it's free. Your download should be automatically and if not start automatically, so here you can restart and download. You have to follow these three steps. Step 1, find the Grammarly installer in your downloads folder. After the file is downloaded, double click to open it and complete the setup process to start using Grammarly. So we can see this downloading process is running. Once this downloading process complete, double click on this setup file. Now here click on sign in to exiting account. Click on continue to Grammarly. Now open Grammarly. Now here guys you will see this welcome screen. Hello, Grammarly is here to help you write clear mistake free text whenever you type. You can skip it. Now select here continue to Grammarly, it's free. Now just guys, enable Grammarly wherever you type. Use it on Gmail, Facebook, Twitter, thousands of other websites. So just click on add to Grammarly, add to Chrome. So once you add on to Chrome, so you can use Grammarly a large number of websites. So this is the way you can add Grammarly to Chrome browser and to MS Office. Now open any MS Office program like Microsoft Word, Excel. And here to type something. So this way you can use Grammarly in Microsoft Office. Type any text and you can correct it using Grammarly. Here in the bottom side you will see this Grammarly icon. Click on it. So thanks for watching.